Hey guys, my name's Scott, and the career I chose for this assignment is a business psychologist. And that's a picture of me. Alrighty, so kind of like what a business psychologist is like their purpose is to help managers and companies understand the way their employees think and to use that knowledge to their advantage. And it's really helpful because often managers feel a big disconnect between their employees and themselves. And so business psychologists really help to bridge that gap and help managers see things from their employees' point of view. And so they really take psychological principles and tactics such as like interviewing and apply them to the world of business and use them to make companies more efficient and effective. And some kind of regular things that they do is they interview people, they provide like analyses of the employees, they help employees improve their morale and provide leadership development and all sorts of things to help companies um, improve themselves and make their workplaces better and improve employee retention. So the required education for this job is at least a master's degree, and it's actually pretty common for business psychologists to just have a master's degree, and so that's another attractive thing for me about this career is that you only need a master's degree and that can get you started working in the industry. And you can also get a PhD and a PsyD, but they're kind of optional. They're not required for you to make enough money to support yourself in the industry, and so that's something that I really liked about it as well. So this actually relates really well to my four-year plan because I'm planning on majoring in psychology, but I'm minoring in business. So I'm taking a lot of business classes along with my psychology classes. And so while I'm taking this in for my undergraduate degree, this will really help me to apply psychology to business and understand how I can relate the two and become an asset to my employer. So, my main reasons for majoring in psychology, the biggest one is I really want to help people. That kind of is my biggest motivation. But I'm also interested in working in a career that pays well, and I also really like learning about psychology. And so, all of these things that interest me, like studying human behavior and also business. And so, I feel like these two things combined in one job is kind of like a dream come true for me. And so, um, I guess in comparison with the reasons listed in chapter 13, the main reasons listed are an interest in psychology and human behavior. So I would say that lines up pretty well. But I think that since one of the reasons for majoring in psychology was that it pays well, wasn't a reason listed in chapter 13, I'd say that's pretty different. And then I also thought it was interesting that another reason listed in the chapter was becoming an industrial psychologist, which is basically a business psychologist. It's kind of the same thing. So that was kind of a parallel or something that lined up. So yeah, that's my presentation, guys, and thanks for watching.